how to download and install Bluesky social app. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, locate Play Store app in your device and open it. Tap on this search icon, type Bluesky and press enter. This is the right application with over 10 million plus downloads. Tap on it. Press install. Basically, Bluesky Social is a modern social networking platform designed to give users more control over their online experience. It focuses on decentralized technology, transparency, and user-driven communities, offering an alternative approach to traditional social media platforms. Bluesky aims to support open communication while allowing greater flexibility in content moderation and platform governance. Once downloaded, it will be shown in your apps. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.